I'm Kenneth M. Baterna from BSIT-4C. I'm going to talk about Java and Ada programming language. I'm going to discuss their preprocessors or directives, variable declarations, conditional statements, looping statements, logical operators, comparison operators, and arithmetic operators. Let's begin. Ada in Java is considered as object-oriented programming. OOP is a paradigm based on the concept of objects. This is a concept where we create a data model that defines both the data type and the types of operations that can be applied to the data model. This is an approach to design modular reusable software system. Object-oriented program codes are easier to maintain and update since we only need to inherit the new codes to existing ones. Now let's talk about their preprocessors or directives. Ada does not have a preprocessor that is built into the language. That means each compiler may or may not have one, and there is not uniform syntax for preprocessing and things like conditional compilation. How about Java? Java does not have a preprocessor. Next, I'm comparing the variable declarations. In Java, to declare or create a variable, you will specify the type, leave at least one space, then the name for the variable, and end with the line with a semicolon. For example, int my name equals 85 semicolon. Int as data type, my name as variable name equals and value as 85. In Ada, to initialize a variable when declaring it, after the name of variable, type colon equals followed by an appropriate value. For example, number colon integer colon equals 85 semicolon. Number as our variable name colon integer as data type and colon equals to 85 as value. Let's proceed to conditional statement. In Java and Ada, conditional statements are the if else, switch, and else if statement. Here is the example for Ada and Java if statement. In Ada, everything that appears between the if and then keyword is the conditional expression. No parenthesis is required. In Java, parenthesis is required. Next is looping statements. Here is the example for Ada and Java while loop statements. The Java while loop is used to iterate a part of the program several times. If the number of iteration is not fixed, it is recommended to use this while loop. In Ada, loops always starts with the loop, reserve word and end with the end loop. To leave the loop, use exit. The Java equivalent being break. This statement can be specify a terminating condition using the exit when syntax. The while loop is the simplest one and is very similar across these two languages. Next is operators. In Ada, operators can be overloaded. In Java, operators cannot be overloaded. Logical operators. So in Java, we use symbol, and for Ada, we use word itself. Comparison operators are the same except for equality and inequality. And last, we have arithmetic operators. In Java and Ada, arithmetic operators are same except for divide and modulus. And for performing Boolean operation, in Ada, we use English words, and in Java, we use symbols. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something. God bless.